Coffee. Yay, coffee. Sign of the times, enlightenment. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here. Welcome to day 1548 of What Ship to Now. I'm having massive, not technical difficulties, actually mechanical functioning difficulties. I had some equipment that broke, and so my last two videos have been horrendous and super embarrassing. And should I redo them? Probably. Since I make videos every day though, I'm not going to. I'm going to just put them out there, show people real life and what happens. Things break and we have to make adjustments. And my last video, my phone was upside down and it was all off kilter. And then my ring light broke, so it's on a selfie stick leaning against my ring light. Bad, bad, bad. Now this one, I got set up a little bit better so I don't look psycho when I'm not looking off to the left and I'm not looking at the camera because it was upside down, so I was confused as to where my camera was, and I still get that way sometimes. So what were we talking about today? Supersize your business, sign of the times. Sign of the times is that stuff happens, things break, and we have to adjust on the fly, and it doesn't always give us the results we want or the best or the most professional results, but we still stick to what we say we're going to do and we get it done. I did share 12 signs that it's time that you supersize and grow your business. If you're seeing any of these signs in your business, and not just any of them, probably all of them and maybe some more, maybe your gut is saying, geez, it's time for us to step it up a notch and grow. You know that it's time to supersize. You're never going to have the perfect time to take that next step, but there are better or less good times to make such changes and challenges. And so I shared those in Supersize Your Business. If you want to see a really wonky video, go ahead and catch those 12 ways to supersize, signs that it's time to supersize and grow your business and go to the next level. Our daily challenge today for the BU 365 day challenge to do one thing every day that improves us is about enlightenment. So I shared 5 different ways to become more enlightened. I talked about enlightenment coming from the 17th and 18th century and the impact that it had on the world and society and what it was all about and what it emphasized versus what had previously been emphasized in the world. And so just like the world is always developing and growing and evolving, sometimes it doesn't feel like we're going forward, but hopefully we are. We as individuals are always becoming the best possible version of ourselves, and that's what the challenge is all about. That's why I do everything I do, is because I want to become a better, more valuable person than I was yesterday and help other people to do the same. So tomorrow, I probably won't have my technology tomorrow either, but by this video I figured out how to turn my phone right side up and lean my selfie stick against my ring light to make it absolutely not awesome, but crazy. It reminds me of how messed up my background is, and I think I've been talking about that for several months now, at least since I began this challenge, this year's challenge. So since the beginning of the year for sure, that I need to come up with a different background that is, I guess, more me and more, not more me. My background is definitely me right now. More what I want to project and what I want to put out in the world, if that makes sense. I think it makes sense. It kind of makes sense to me, but it hasn't made enough sense that I've changed my background yet. So if I can help you in any way, go ahead and hit me up. Just ask, direct message me. I will not be messing with my technology or with my mechanical or my setup today. I've got other projects and other commitments that I've already made. So probably look the same way or very similar to this again tomorrow. Hopefully it'll work, or maybe I'll find a way to set it up so that it's more stable. But it is what it is. You know, it's like when I'm traveling, I have to just make my videos wherever I am or wherever I can. I thought about that. I thought about, well, why don't I just go outside or in the living room or something and make my videos, and then I have to try to hold my selfie stick straight or find something to lean my phone against and be a little cognizant of what I'm showing, because nobody needs to see if my kitchen's messy or if I've got weird stuff that they don't agree with hanging on my walls, which I probably don't. So it's not a big deal. It's amazing the things we talk ourselves into judging and worrying about that just don't matter, right? All right, have an awesome day. I will be with you tomorrow.